Hello everybody, jimmyispromo here, back again with another awesome video. And in today's video of SIAM, which is Samsung in a minute, today's topic is about properly backing up your contacts. So these tips right here are something that you can do the moment you get your phone, or if you've had your phone for several months or a couple years and you have not done these steps, make sure you do these as soon as possible, making sure that everything is backed up accordingly. So let's get the timer up and let's get going. Your first step that you will be doing is heading over into your contact application. Once you click on contacts, on the very top right hand side, you have those three little dots, and you're going to click on the option of manage contacts. And on the very bottom of this menu, you're going to see where it says default storage location, and make sure that this one is selected on the Gmail that you use to back everything up, not on the phone itself. Anything that's stored on the phone will be lost if you lost your phone or if you transfer your content. So you want to make sure that you have it all stored on the Gmail. Now, if you want to see where everything is stored and if you would be possibly losing something, is on the very top right hand side. Click on those three dots, click on settings, and right here where it says contacts to show, if you hit on the option of phone, this will be everything that is stored on the phone. Now, if you were to lose your phone, you just lost all these contacts. If you're to go to your next device, you put in your Gmail, again, all of these will be lost because they were stored to the phone itself and not a Gmail. Now, to go just one step further, and I do apologize if this goes right over a minute, but I do want to make sure you guys get everything transferred over because it's super important. So on the very top right hand side, when you do head over into your settings and you click on the option of phone, and you see that there's a lot of phone numbers that is stored, and you don't want to go through individually to add them all in. All you have to do is underneath the settings, click on manage contacts, and you can move the contacts from your phone to a particular Gmail that you want it to be moved to. So right now there's only 3 contacts, and if I wanted to move it over into my jimmyispromo, then I'd be able to hit on move, and now it's moving all my contacts over. So I hope that you guys have liked this video. If you guys did, please give this thing a huge thumbs up. Also, don't forget to hit on subscribe right over here if you have not subscribed already. Share this video with your friends and family and social media sites. Hit that bell for notifications so you don't miss any future videos, and I'll see you guys later.